In terms of a study plan, I would say, again, 3 to 6 months minimum of studying. I think that if you can get even just a few more points from retaking, it's worth it. Like your study journey, UD, like you did improve a couple of points. Maybe it wasn't what you'd hoped,
Right.
but any increase, especially if you're going from the 150s to the 160s or 160s to 170s, that number, that extra 10 in the middle digit actually has a real psychological impact. And no one's immune to that, law school admission officers included. So 159 to 160 or 169 to 170, there is something more to it than just a single point.
Right.
But ultimately with law school admissions, everything is numbers. And so while personal statement, diversity statement, addenda, LORs, those have an impact, at the end of the day, the numbers do have the biggest impact. And I'm not saying that's right or fair, but that is just how it is. The law schools, they care about their rankings more than anything else. The jobs, the careers of the admission officers are based on how their schools do in their rankings. It's a crazy numbers-driven thing. And so if you can get your score up even just a few more points, you could get into a better law school or get thousands in scholarship money or both. And the ROI on that is huge. So it is worth putting in the time, even if you're not feeling like you're making gains. Just see maybe there's another resource, maybe another book or video course or instructor, something you could seek out that could help you gain those valuable insights that will help you turn your practice test scores into real world test day scores that have an impact.